Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English grammar class. As I told you, we will continue with the next chapter. So, we are beginning with our chapter number 18, page number 48. I hope you all are with your books. Okay. Now, we start with our simple present tense. Children, I have told you that tenses are of three kinds: present, past and future. So first of all, we'll do simple present tense. Simple present means something done as a habit or something is being done regularly. So, and the structure of this is subject plus first form of the verb plus s or es plus object, as I have explained you in my previous videos. So with I, we, you, they and plural subject, we write we one, means first form of the verb. And with he, she, it and singular subjects, we write we one plus s or es. Children, whenever we are doing simple present tense, immediately this should click in your mind. Open your right hand and there on your fingers you write I, we, you, they and plural. And there, this is your right hand and here we will not add anything. We will just write first form of the verb. Then you open your left hand. There on your fingers you write he, she, it and singular subject. There you know that this left hand needs some help. So it needs the help of s or es. So this is less powerful, so it needs the help of s or es. So you write on your fingers, you will be able to remember it for the whole life, that with he, she, it and a singular subject, we have to write s or es whenever we are doing simple present tense. Now you see the examples. With I, we are writing only like. This is the first form of verb. Shilpi likes. Shilpi is the singular subject, so we are writing s with it. A washerman, again a singular subject, we are writing s with the first form of verb, washes. Birds, birds are plural, so we don't add anything. Plurals together, when plurals are there, they are powerful. They don't need anybody's help. So, they need their own first form of verb only. That is fly. So, I is always powerful. It doesn't need any help. We, हम पहले हम होते ही powerful हैं. You people are all powerful. Whenever second person is there, that is you, is always powerful. And together plurals are always powerful. So they don't need the help of s or es. Now, children, we can do the exercises. See, B part, take the correct verbs. So first one is I. I doesn't need any s, so I greet my friends on their birthday. You also doesn't require any s. You make delicious idlis and sambar. I hope your mothers are making these days delicious things for you. Yes, okay. She keeps her room neat and tidy. See, she is singular. She is less powerful. She needs some help. So she wants s with her. So with the verb we are writing s. My father plays. Father is also alone, singular subject. He needs s. Plays golf on Sundays. This child, again singular, likes colorful dresses. Children are plural, together, powerful. They don't want any s. So children usually want to wear colorful dresses. Now come to page number 49. 7th, Mr. Kelkar. Again alone, he needs s. Mr. Kelkar does his work carefully. Spiders, together, they are powerful. So, they don't need any s. Spiders catch flies in a web. A tortoise, again, very weak. He needs s. A tortoise moves very slowly. Mangoes, again together, plural. So, taste sweet. Now, come to our fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs given in the brackets. So, Ankita, Ankita is again singular verb. So, we will add S here. It makes drinks. Ankita drinks a glass of milk before she goes to sleep. I hope you also drink a glass of milk every day. Yes. Children, to be more safe, to be safer, put a little amount of turmeric in your milk whenever you are sleeping. Ask your mama to add sugar and a little amount of turmeric while you are before sleeping, children. Before sleeping, you should drink a glass of milk with sugar and a little amount of turmeric to be safer from corona. Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Reddy love their children very much. So Mr. and Mrs. Reddy becomes two. It means plural. So no S. Dogs, again plural. Dogs wag their tail when they are happy. She, again singular. She writes beautiful poems in English. They are plural. They park their car in the garage. Mrs. Mehra, again singular, changes the water in the aquarium once a week. She, again singular, she switches off the lights when she goes out. You tell very funny jokes. We never write S. We throw bits of paper in the dustbin. So we are also plural. So I and somebody else makes we. So we are plural. We throw bits of paper in the dustbin. No need to put S here. Manan, again singular, hits the ball very hard. I hope you all have understood till now. Shall we move to our next chapter? Okay. Our next chapter is 19th, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense means something is being done now. Abhi kaam ho raha hai. Keep this thing in mind. Something is being done now. Now see. I am talking to my mother. Means आप अपनी मम्मा से बात कर रहे हो. A man is waiting at the door. Man door पर wait कर रहा है. They are watching television. वो television देख रहे हैं. Means something being done in present. रहे हैं, रहा है, रही है. And this box, beta, with I, we, you, they, all plurals, we write, with I, we write only am. With we, you, they, all plurals, we write are. He, she, it, all singulars, we write is. And then followed by first form of the verb plus ing. Children, see, I am plus, suppose playing. I am playing. We are playing. You are playing. They are playing. All plurals are playing. He is playing. She is playing. All singulars is playing. Right? So you need to learn it. In present tense, see, always in present, we have to write is, am, are plus first form of the verb plus ing. Now, take the correct verbs. The baby is singular. So, we'll write is smiling. Ankit, again singular, is sleeping. You, with you we write are. You are making a pretty design. I am watching my favorite comic serial. With I we always write am. Now, Deepika is cleaning her room. Mother is cooking dinner. The teacher is checking the students' notebooks. The little boys are singing happily. Boys are plural, so we'll write are. Papa is going to his office. Mama is helping me do my homework. I hope your mama is also helping you do your homework. Okay, now fill in the blanks. The rabbit is running fast. The teacher is teaching English. Ramchand is painting the wall. I I'm flying a kite. Parul is combing her hair. The postman is bringing letters. Children, you can see with I we are writing am. With singulars we are writing is. With plurals we are writing are. Sonal is opening the window. My father and I, again two people are there, are. See here, my father and I, it makes two. Don't get confused that here is I, so we will write am. No, here my father and I, two people are there. They are plural now. So we will write only are going when two are there. The cow is eating grass. The sun is shining brightly. So here again I will tell you this eighth one. Don't think that it is I, so we'll write am. Please children, look at here again. My father and I makes two people. Two are plural. So with them we'll write are and not am with I. It makes up full. This is one subject. Complete. My father and I, two people are there. It makes plural. So for the plural, we'll write are. I hope you all have understood. Okay. Goodbye, children. We'll meet again with the next chapter.